Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make cassava in coconut milk. I have some cans of cassava here, also known as Yuca. I have some coconut milk, some sweet cream, unsalted butter, and some coarse ground black pepper. And I will list the quantities and ingredients in the description box below for you guys. Start by placing 1 can of the cassava with all the juices in a pot, and then you're going to add the other 2 cans that have been drained in with this first can. Next, you're going to pour in 1 can of coconut milk. I have my pot on medium-high heat, and I added 4 tablespoons of butter and coarse ground black pepper to taste. It smells so wonderful. I like to try to get the cassava submerged in the liquid as much as possible in all this lovely coconut milk so that it really boils down and the cassava gets infused with the coconut milk as well. I have my heat on medium-high and I set my timer for 15 minutes. And then we'll check it to see how much the sauce has reduced. During the cooking process, try to give it just a little gentle stir. You don't want to break up the cassava, and just just move it around with your spoon a little bit so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. After 5 minutes, you can already see how creamy that coconut sauce is getting. We are at 10 minutes right now, and it's coming along swimmingly. I lowered my heat to medium-low for the last few minutes of cooking. Here's what's cooking in Shail'S kitchen today. Cassava in coconut milk, the perfect comfort food.